everyone, I have with me Mr. TV Pandian sir, business head at LPG. So what are you doing in the market? मुझे सुनने में आया कि LPG का भी ATM आ गया है अब.
Correct.
That's so true.
Yes.
Or not?
Yes. In fact, we have not only come up with this one in this stall itself, we have come up with 4 new things. One, this can be for people who are working couples or labor staffs. Usually our delivery boys or delivery distributorships get open for 8 to 12 hours, but this one will be 24/7. And even for labor staffs who come late home in the house and they want to get a cylinder, that can be done. The 3 other initiatives that we are launching here is, one is the BPCL plant automation end to end. So that we are doing with the concept that whatever is mechanical, that we thought it has to be mechanized, automated, and only the deviations have to be handled by human brains. So the second thing that we have done in Bangalore plant. And third thing, as you know that in IEW last year, we in fact launched PFS seals. So we have gone ahead, we tested it out in markets. Almost 17th iteration we were successful in these seals. And now we have rolled it up in 10 distributors of Lucknow. And we are taking this up in 4 more cities, wherein cylinder that gets filled from our plant, it can be completely tracked for its quality, quantity, when it was filled, and what was the weight of the cylinder. And if this QR code is intact, then the customer scans it and then it says it's a pure for sure delivered cylinder, then the seal can be opened. In case there is any tamper in between, so probably then the QR code will not get scanned. So that was the second initiatives. What we launched last year, to this we are taking it forward. Third thing, same as this ATM or BPCL Bharat Gas Insta, we are also planning for the LPG dispenser, which I will be touching up in our future. Any customer who wants to fill only 2 kgs or 4 kgs, that can be done through a dispenser. That also we are trying to launch, and we are waiting for approvals there. And fourth thing that we have done is the automation part of it, the Bangalore plant which we have done, and we are scaling it into 4 more plants as of now.